Welcome back. A small water leak can turn into a major repair bill surprisingly fast, especially when it happens under a sink, behind a washing machine, or in a basement while you are away. That's why a smart water leak detector can be such a useful addition to your home. But with different alarm levels, wireless ranges, app alerts, and battery life to consider, which ones are actually worth buying? Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal which product is my overall top recommendation. So, let's start the countdown. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Xsense Wi-Fi Water Detector Kit. Kicking off the top 5 is the Xsense Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector Kit, a 3-sensor system designed to provide fast alerts when water is detected around your home. The kit includes 3 sensors and a base station with a loud 120 decibel alarm, Wi-Fi connectivity, real-time alerts, and a range up to 1,804 feet. Review highlights. The Xsense stands out for its combination of loud local alarms and remote notifications. The sensors can detect very small amounts of water, making them useful around sinks, washing machines, and other areas where an unnoticed leak could cause damage. The long wireless range also gives you more flexibility when placing sensors throughout a larger home. Pros: 120 decibel alarm, 3 sensors included, real-time alerts, Wi-Fi connectivity, up to 1,804-foot range, IP66 waterproof design, detects water as low as 0.4 millimeters. Number 4. GoveeLife Smart Water Detector 2. Coming in at number 4 is the GoveeLife Smart Water Detector 2 6-pack, designed to provide broader coverage throughout your home. It features a 1,968-foot wireless range, Wi-Fi connectivity, SMS, email, and app push alerts, a sound alarm, 5-year battery life, and IP66 protection. Review highlights. The biggest advantage here is coverage. 6 sensors make it easier to monitor several potential trouble spots at once, while the extended wireless range is useful for larger homes or areas where sensors are spread farther apart. The 5-year battery life also means you won't have to think about battery replacement nearly as often. Pros: 6 sensors, 1,968-foot range, Wi-Fi connectivity, SMS, email, and app push alerts, sound alarm, up to 5-year battery life, IP66 protection, and He-Stri-Fi app. Number 3. GoveeLife Upgraded Smart Water Detector 1S. Taking the number 3 spot is the GoveeLife Upgraded Smart Water Detector 1S 6-pack, designed for homeowners who want comprehensive leak monitoring with smart notifications. It offers an 1,804-foot wireless range, Wi-Fi connectivity, SMS, email, and app push alerts, a 5-year battery life, and IP67 protection. Review highlights. The combination of 6 sensors and smart notifications makes this system particularly useful for monitoring multiple areas at once. You can place sensors near appliances, sinks, basements, or other vulnerable locations and receive notifications remotely if a leak is detected. Pros: 6 sensors, up to 1,804-foot range, Wi-Fi connectivity, SMS, email, and app push alerts, 5-year battery life, IP67 protection, and high alarm. Number 2. 5-pack Water Leak Detector System. Our runner-up is this 5-pack water leak detector system, designed for homeowners who want multiple standalone sensors for common leak-prone areas. Each detector provides a very loud 100 decibel water alarm, making it suitable for locations such as basements, kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and around sinks or drains. Review highlights. The biggest advantage here is straightforward coverage. With 5 individual detectors, you can place alarms in several areas without relying on a complicated setup. The 100 decibel alarm is also loud enough to provide an immediate local warning when water reaches a sensor. Pros: 5 detectors, 100 decibel alarm, multiple location coverage, simple setup, suitable for kitchens and bathrooms, useful for basements and laundry rooms, affordable approach to leak detection. Number 1. GoveeLife 3-pack Detector 1S. Taking the #1 spot is the GoveeLife upgraded Smart Water Detector 1S 3-pack, our pick for the best Smart Water Detector 2026. It combines a high-volume alarm, 1,804-foot wireless range, Wi-Fi connectivity, SMS, email, and app push notifications, 5-year battery life, and IP67 protection. Review highlights. What makes the GoveeLife 1S stand out is its balance of smart features, reliability-focused design, and practical coverage. The 3 sensors are enough to monitor several of the most important areas in a typical home, while remote alerts can notify you even when you are away. The 5-year battery life also reduces maintenance, and IP67 protection gives the sensors added durability in damp environments. Pros: 3 sensors, up to 1,804-foot range, Wi-Fi connectivity, SMS, email, and app push alerts, 5-year battery life, IP67 protection, and easy multi-location monitoring. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best Smart Water Detector 2026. After comparing detection features, alarm performance, wireless range, smart notifications, battery life, water resistance, coverage, and overall value, the GoveeLife upgraded Smart Water Detector 1S 3-pack earns our best overall recommendation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.